Hello, this is Lisa here. Nice to meet you. It's our pleasure to meet you here. Welcome to our live. My factory is dealing with AGM GEL battery charger, solar charger controller, solar inverter for over 20 years.
Yes, this is Lisa's partner. Now today we are going to introduce our hot cell battery charger for the lead-acid batteries. For the battery charger, we have 3M, 5M, 6M, 10M, 20M, 40, 30M, 40M, and 12 volt. Some of them are suitable for 2 volts. And some of them with LCD here, yes, LCD displays, and some of them can adjust for 4 kinds of the currents.
Yes. Wow, so many kinds of battery charger. What you are about when buying a charger? Just what you will care?
What I care about for the charger,
yes,
right?
Yes.
Yes, firstly, we will check our battery capacity. Yes, and the kind of the battery, such as the lead-acid battery, AGM battery, and the charging speed, and the charging temperature. Yes, the degree.
Okay.
Yes. And secondly, it's better to have LCD displays on the charger. And so that we can know where the charging stays. And thirdly, we will check the qualities and the price. You know, many people will care about the price.
Yes.
And they want to pay less money to get high quality charger. Yes, and many customers want the best price with the high quality.
Oh yes, you are right. Some customer also will asking for the different material of the cell.
Yes.
Some of them will like the plastic material. Yes. Yes. And some of them like the aluminum material. Yes. I have a small battery in my house. So, which model of the battery charger will you recommend to me?
Let me think about this. For our products, in our factories, I will recommend our FON series charger here. Yes, it's customized for the small DC, AGM, and GEL batteries from 3M, 5M, yes, and the 6M and the 10M. Yes, this is for the small capacity batteries.
Okay.
And for the shape, it is like this. It is hinging design and easy to install. Yes, because the shell is the plastic and
it's light.
Yes, it's very light. So when you have electronic motorcycle, yes, and on the trip, you can take it on the way.
Oh, yes, I think that is a good idea.
Yes.
The input of FON 1203B and FON 1205B is 100 to 240 volt for AC, and it can be used all countries from all over the world. Here is the charger's indicator.
Here.
Yes, you can see it. And it shows charging process so that user can easy to understand the current state of the battery. The model is very popular in South Asia, Africa, and Middle East. Many customers place order by containers to us.
Yes,
every month. So, do you have LCD displays in this series?
Yes, we have many kinds of the LCD display charger.
Oh.
Yes, for example, we have FON 12060 and FON 1010D Plus have the LCD displays. This is for the small capacitor battery charger, and the displays show the working state of the charger.
Oh, you mean like this?
Yes, like this will show the charging
voltage,
yes,
battery level,
and
charging state.
And if the battery full, it will show the battery
also
full.
show it here.
Yes.
You can see it. So that means you can very easy to understand inside the LCD displays.
Yes. Now we let's take this for example to connect with our battery to test and teach you how to use it.
Oh,
Okay.
nice. Let me try.
And here the battery. Yes.
Yes, this is the battery. Because this is a small charger,
Yes.
so we choose a small battery.
Yes, it's for the 12-volt battery.
Yes, 12 volt
Here.
and 8 amp.
Yes.
Very small battery.
8 amp 可以用6.
Yes.
And the charger goes into set. You can help me?
Yes, I help you.
Yes. And the charger goes into standby when the plus is connected the AC city power.
Let me do it
Oh.
here. Okay.
You connect the battery
Yes.
first.
Let me connect. As you see, this is a clip.
Mm.
The red one will be connect in the battery, the left side,
Yes.
and the black side we connect it in the black side. The connector
yes.
is connecting now. You can see it now. Now he is so the battery level now is a 13 volt.
Yes.
Let
And
me see.
let me
Let me put
contact
in the
the
city line.
yes. Oh, it is for the charging volt
Yes.
and it is for the battery level.
Yes, you can show.
Yes, this is 13.7 is for the charging volt.
Yes, yes.
Yes, and here is the battery level. It means this battery is full.
It's working.
It's full.
Yes.
Yes. So because of the full batteries and the current is zero.
Zero.
Yes.
So, maybe change for another empty battery.
I need to find out.
Maybe
Here.
let me check.
Test this one.
Okay.
This one is okay.
Let me test.
Let me
This
cut
one
down the
better
city
full
power.
or
Let
not?
me
Yes.
cut down the city power.
Okay. But this one, our battery have the reverse protection. Don't
Yes.
worry about it if you connect it wrong.
Yes.
Maybe later we will try this function.
If you like. Okay.
Okay, let me check it here.
Okay. Connect with the AC power. Oh, also the full batteries.
My colleague is working too hard.
Yes.
They change the battery. They
Yes.
charging the battery every time.
Yes, yes. And maybe next time.
Yes, we will show you for this.
Yes.
And now maybe your city power not turned off. Let me check. Let me check.
Okay.
Let me check the reverse.
Oh,
protection.
reverse. You want to take this
Yes,
protection?
if you would like to know, because maybe sometimes outside product have no reverse protection.
Yes.
So when you put it long, it means your charger will be spoiled. But
Yes.
have this reverse protection means when you are not careful to connect it wrong, it will be can show it. It will be safety.
To the charger and the
Yes,
battery.
yes, yes.
Yes. Now we test this function, okay?
Yes. Now the city power we already
You connect first or I?
no need. You just city power is okay. You see now
Okay, I
the
connect.
battery is this charger is working now,
Yes.
and now we are using it to test. No have any
Soft circuit
yes. So means it have a protection
of the soft
reverse.
circuit.
Yes,
and the reverse.
You can see it. This function is very good.
Mm.
Yes, when you buy, you must be know it.
Yes. Okay. Let's move on to the other items.
Okay. Yes. Now, before we checking about the
This here.
charger, and now let us see before the charging. If please kindly to check the battery voltage power, whether match the charger or not at first.
Yes.
Connect with AC power, then checking the indicators turn on or not. If the indicator light off, please turn off the AC power at once and check the city power and the storage battery and all cables.
Okay.
Yes,
And after the battery is full, like that.
that's just before.
Yes. Please unplug the cable of the AC power first.
Yes,
Then unplug the cable connect with the batteries.
Yes.
Do your this model have the I'm sorry. Do you have any model with the repair function charger?
Oh, yes, sure. We have our charger, the new type for FON 1206Y.
Wow.
Yes, it's DC 12 volt and 6 amp with a battery
this one.
repair function and LCD display. This one is little different with before type FON 1206D. Yes. Firstly, FON 1206DY has a wide input voltage.
Oh, let me check. Here.
Yes, it can show the voltage is 90 to 250 volt.
Oh.
As we know, many countries of South America country using AC
Yes.
110, yes, and not AC 220. And FON 1206 is the best tools for this country
Yes.
because it's a wide voltage.
Yes.
Secondly, from the cover, we can get the information of the charging state. Here is a battery repair button. As you can see,
Yes.
this is a battery repair, the button.
So
Why it can be repair your battery? You know, this function is a very good function. Why? Because sometimes the battery, if you are not buy the new, when you keep in your house long time and you forget to charging it, and maybe the power will be very low, and the voltage is very hard to start charging. So when your charger is no have a battery replay function, so maybe you will think your battery is broken or charger is broken.
yes.
Because have this function, he can repair your
Battery.
yes, repair your battery, so your battery still can work. If the normal charger is cannot working, so it's hard to charging your battery.
Yes.
So let us see it now. Do you know which model is suitable for 2 voltage?
2 voltage. Yes, of course. Is our FON 10N plus and the FON 20
This one?
plus. Yes.
Oh, and this one also?
Yes, there are one series. Yes, here. And the materials of this one is stronger than this one.
Yes.
Because
I
it's
check. This one is more thickness.
Yes, it's the more thickness pasties to make it. And it is different with before. Yes, here you can see. Here is the LCD screen.
Yes,
LCD screen, and it plays the charging current. If no charging screen displays, when there's no data.
Yeah.
Yes, and please cut down the power and charge the device and the battery and all the connections.
Okay.
Yes.
Next, please pay high attention on these two macro switch.
Here.
Yes.
Here is before we say you ask me. We have do we have any model charger for 2 volt?
Yes.
Here is the switch of the 6 volt and the 12 volt.
And we can see it here is a 12 volt or 24 volt.
Yes.
What do you mean of this?
Oh, of this.
Yes. It
You
means can charging for 12 volt or 24 volt battery of this type, and this type 6 volt and 12 volt battery means it can charging when you choose the battery's voltage.
Yes.
Yes, you can buy 2 battery, but no need to buy 2 charger.
Yes.
Because if you have the FON 10 and FON 20, by the way, so you just can take 1 charger, can keep 2 type voltage battery in your house.
Yes. And by the way, here is also have the switch.
Yes.
It's for the auto and the fast switch.
Yes. So do you know what's the function of other switch?
Yes. This switch is auto and the fast. When the battery charging, you can choose the speed of charging as you need. Yes. And if you, for example, if you are in a hurry and want to fully charge the battery quickly, yes,
we can choose fast.
Yes, you are very clever. Yes, and if you are not very in hurry and want to extend the battery life, and you can choose the
auto. I can choose auto.
Yes. Yes, then the charger will charge on the battery condition to protect the battery. Yes, it's very good.
Yes, very good. So it is 45 degrees. The cooling fan automatic state when the temperature drop below for 40 degrees. The fan is off. So it can save electronic power. So Ray, do you know is charging principle?
Yes. It's my pleasure to introduce it. And this one takes standard free-state charging mode. Free-state. Do you always hear about it? Free-state.
3 days?
Yes, 3 days.
Maybe like constant current?
Yes.
How others?
How about others? And this one take the standard free-state charging mode, such as the custom current, custom volt, and the floating charge mode. That means at the first beginning, the charging current is large. Yes. And with the charging time goes by, the charging current discrete will go down. And when the charging current is less than the digital display. Our digital display current is 1 amp. Yes, under this, then the battery is full and continue to flow red 1 hour or 2 hours to charge is better. Yes, and after that, connect the device and the cables.
Oh, you mean the charger function such as our mobile phone? When
Yes.
you charge the food, you need to charge sometimes, so can be keep your batteries can stay a long time.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
The same.
Okay. So after we introduce our FON series charger, now our another colleague Annie and I will be introduced other external FMA series. Give an allometer to you.
Okay. Welcome.
Okay.
Okay. Bye-bye. And let me take out the mic.
Okay, thank you. Yes. Welcome. We are welcome Annie.
Hello.
So now we're changing for other model.
Hello everybody, this is Annie.
Now we are start to using one more. Now you need to say many model of it.
Today we introduce many models of the charger.
Yes.
Yes.
So put it again.
Okay, this for the green color.
Yes, very
New model.
special.
Yeah. Now Lisa and I will introduce our charger FMA series to you. MA series is the DC 12 voltage AGM GEL battery, and we also have this one new model. This used for the 24 voltage and 20 ampere.
Oh yes.
Yeah, this new model.
It's some of people.
Yes, some people
search.
need this. Yeah,
Yes.
search this one. And it can use for the electronic vehicle. Yeah. And so in our daily life, it can charge for the for this one. It can charge for the 12 voltage, and this one it can charge for the 24 voltage of the lithium battery. And yes, because for this 12 voltage, we have 10 ampere, 20 ampere, 30 ampere, 40 ampere, 50 ampere. So 5 1. Yeah. So
Have many
amperes to choose.
Yes, many MPPT.
Yes. Do you know what's the material of this shell?
Yes, I know. Now I can touch. We can see from here, this cover is made of strong aluminum material.
Yes.
It can protect to the charger well for a long time.
Yes.
Because it's a aluminum metal, so it can protect it.
Yeah.
So it's tougher than the plastic stuff, right?
Sure.
So the color of them is different. We can choose. We can see it have blue color, have a green color, and have black color.
Yeah.
Still have silver color.
This small one. The small one is silvery color.
Yes. The color is of them is different, so that we can identify them clearly. For example, 10 amp is silver, and 20 amp is black, and 30 amp, 40 amp, 50 amp are blue. And our new model, just now we say 24 volt 20 amp is green. The one for specialized for 24 volt RC battery.
Now 24 voltage. Now only this new.
Yeah.
So
for plastic cell.
Yeah,
yes,
yeah.
Only this one model.
If you need this for 24 voltage, 20 ampere, so please order it. Yeah.
Yes.
So yeah, this for cooling fan. Okay, let's look at the FMA series, and you can see the side.
Yes.
You can see here. And from this side, as you can see, there is the power switch on and off.
Yes.
Yeah, and here is the cooling fan. Here. And from another side, and you can see here is the knob. And you can adjust the different capacitor based on your battery, based on this knob.
So means it can charging different ampere
Yeah,
battery as you want.
Yeah. So
And maybe more suitable for the battery.
yes.
Can
So,
protect them to using a long
longer.
line.
Yeah, for use a long
Okay.
line. Yeah. So this one is very good function.
Yeah.
Yeah, and this one you can see the color here. Here has the two indicator. Yeah, one is for OK, one is for charging. So when it charge for the battery, and the red color will be light, and when it full, and this one the green color, green the indicator will be light.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
So everything is clear from our product.
Yes. And from other side we can see here are two cables,
Yes.
red and black, to
Yes.
connect with 12-volt battery. Or if you choose 24,
Yeah,
maybe it's 24-volt battery. This is very important.
Yeah, sure.
There is an electric current meter, and it can be solved the charging current. We can see it here. Here is the charging indicators. Let the just now, as we say, which is we can know direct whether the charging working normally or
Yes.
not clearly. So can you tell me the stage of the indicator light when it works?
Yes, of course. It's my pleasure. And at the early stage of charging, the red light will be as we can see.
Is
At the early age of the charging, and the red indicator and the red light will be
Is
turned
charging
on.
in.
Yeah.
Okay.
It means the charging.
so today I will learn more.
Yes. And at the last stage of the charger, and the green light will be turned on, it means that the charger is on the float mode of the charging. So at this moment, and the battery reaches about 90.5% or 100%.
Yes.
Electronic. So we will still keep the battery connected with the charger for about 2 or 3 hours. Then it will make the battery will for the best state.
Oh, and maybe sometimes if in my house I have something need to do, maybe it's not remove it on time, that will be spoil the battery.
Spoil the battery? No. Yeah, because it's very small the current.
Oh.
Yeah. It will no harm to your electronics or to your charger.
Oh.
Yeah, so don't worry.
Okay.
It's very small
Maybe
current.
I am afraid when I leave house, my battery.
No, because when our factory produce this charger, we
Yes.
test many times.
Oh,
All of
okay.
then we package them and send to our customer. So don't worry for this.
So maybe I can leave house so time
Yeah.
and come back and remove it again.
Yeah.
Okay, by the way, we can adopt the PWM charging technology. It has 3 plant charging modes, such as a contain current mode,
Yes.
contain voltage mode, and the flow charging mode. There is no doubt that this working mode plays an important role in protecting and fast charging.
Yes, so just now we mentioned the floating mode. Yeah, the battery is full and it will have the very small current.
Yes,
Yeah, yeah,
yes.
but it is okay and it will not affect your battery. Yeah, and safe.
Okay.
Yeah. So I think this one is very nice.
Yes.
So for this FMA series we have 5 models, and after we compared it, and we will easily find look like this.
But I see this one is
Right?
no knob.
Yeah, you see?
Yes. Let
Yeah.
me see.
Put down.
Oh yes, all have knob.
Yeah,
Yes.
as you can see.
Yes.
Yeah,
Why like this?
because it's very small. Yeah, it's safe. Yeah.
Okay, so
you
no
know,
need to choose the big
Yeah.
current.
This is for the small one. So this one, no the knob. And for the 20 ampere, 30 ampere, 40 ampere, and 50 ampere, they have the knob like this.
Oh.
Yeah, you can adjust the capacitor of the based on the battery. Yes. So I think this knob is very friendly for the users, right?
Yes.
Yeah, you can adjust the charging current based on the battery capacitor. Yeah, because the capacitor, you have the small one, have the big one, so you can adjust it based on your battery.
Oh, yes. And one more thing, FMA charger have a multi protection,
Yes.
especially for this
Excellence.
overheated protect, soft circuit protect, low pressure protect, and reverse protect.
Wow, very
yes.
good. This one have many protection.
Yes, because we want to let the customer using will be more convenient. Yes. When the temperature of the charging cell is over for 85 degrees, the charging current auto reduce to the half of the original current.
Okay.
Yes, when the temperature is over 105 degrees, the charger is a protective turn off. There is no current input and auto recover charge when the temperature falls to the about 80 degrees. So maybe they will be not very hot
Yeah.
and can protect the charging, right?
Yes. Wow, this protection is really good and
Yes.
safe for our customer.
Yes.
So when the battery voltage is lower than 1.4 voltage, and the charger will automatically turns on or unable to start to avoid the damage the equipment. So when the battery doesn't match the charger and related voltage. Besides, FMA series has the battery reverse protection. This one, when you connect the battery, if you connect long,
it will protect.
Protect, still okay. It will not burn.
Yes.
So this.
So
And
this function
yeah.
is very good.
So Lisa, do you know how many pieces of each amperes of FMA series?
Oh yes. Let me tell you.
Okay.
FMA
For this one?
10 amp
Yes.
is 20 pieces for cartons.
Oh, 20 pieces, one
Yes,
carton.
yes,
This for
yes.
10 ampere. How about 20 ampere?
20 ampere we
This
pack
one?
for 16 pieces for one carton.
Okay, this
Yes.
for 20 ampere for there are 16 pieces for 1 carton.
Yes.
How about 30 ampere?
Our 30 ampere, 40 ampere, and
Yeah.
50 ampere, all of them is 12 pieces for 1 carton.
Oh, 12
And,
pieces.
yes, and each pack is with a foam bag. And finally, put in the standard is 4 carton.
Oh, that's good.
Yes, and we will be besides we still have another outside carton to protect it.
Yeah. So how about if one customer want to do I want to do OEM order, is it okay?
Yes, of course.
Oh.
We do the OEM according to the client's requirements.
Wow.
Yes, we have many balance in OEM.
That's
If you
good.
have these requirements, please feel free to contact us. Welcome to inquiry.
Oh, okay,
Yes.
okay. Thank you the sharing of Lisa. And next, our colleague Lei and I will introduce the best charger DC series to you.
Okay,
Hi, welcome, Lei.
Come back.
Come back.
Yes.
Yes. So now Rach will contact with Ray and Annie.
Yes.
To explain it more information.
About the other charger.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Have introduced 2 types of the chargers to all of our customer, and they are FOM series.
Yes.
And for FOM series is for the small capacitor of the battery, and we introduced the FMA series. Yeah, they with another meter here. Yeah, have display. And now we will introduce our best seller DC series with the LCD display and the memory function. And there are also four types of the current you can choose.
Yes. Oh wow. And
You like it, right?
Yes, it's really convenient for me. Yes.
Okay, you order one now.
Place the order. Let me place the order.
Okay.
Yes. And now we are going to introduce this DC series charger, right?
Yes.
Yes. And I guess this model also use the famous three-stage intelligent charging mode, right?
Yeah.
I know.
You're smart, huh?
I know.
Yes, you're right. So can you share more details about it?
Yes, I try.
Okay.
And our DC charger is take the free-state charging mode to charge the batteries.
Yes.
And there is the constant current.
Constant current.
Yes. I said before.
Oh,
about
okay,
the
okay.
Free-state charging.
Oh,
Yes, it's constant current.
constant current.
Constant volt
Ah.
and the float charging mode.
Oh, okay. So for constant current, constant voltage, and float charging, right?
Yes.
Okay.
And the first one, when the volt of the battery is lower than the value set by the charger,
Yes.
the charger will work under the constant current mode and supply the constant current for the batteries. This time the charging current is big.
Wow.
Yes. After that, we will enter the custom volt mode, and using the fuse with the modulations technology to control the charging currents and output volt of the charger will ensure the battery is charged fully and avoid the overcharge.
Oh.
Yes. And when the volt of the battery is closing the value of the custom volt mode, the current will cut down to give the current gradually. That means the battery power is full, and then the fan. This charger has the cooling fan, and the cooling fan will start working. The charger will turn into the move to the falling charging mode. And at this moment, the battery can be stopped charged and all keep on the floating charge.
Thank you for sharing us with so detailed introduction of the charging mode. And this charging mode improves the battery charge speed, right?
Yes.
And while it prevents the overcharging and it extends the battery life, it means that it can prolong the service life of the battery.
Yes, it's very good. And at the beginning, we will introduce this series start with our shelf.
Yeah.
For this outlook kit,
We can see.
Here is the blue.
Blue color.
Yes.
All
it
is the blue.
It is very active, and it has the LED display
Yeah.
on the cover, and it is show the charging time, temperature, charging current, charging volt, and the capacity of the battery. It is very convenient and clear for you to check the charging data.
So when charging, I can see the current, voltage, and temperature from here, right?
Yes, from the LED display.
Yeah. It's very convenient for us or for the customers to know, what's the status of this charger.
Yes, all of us.
Yeah.
Yes, and also in the automatic mode, the above data will display one by one. Yes, and if the charging is unusual or wrong, the LED screen will display the error code. Like 111222333.
So when we see the unusual number here, such as like the 000 or 111 or 222 like this, so it means that this one is it charge not correctly, right?
Yes, there are something problems all wrong while the charging.
So when we see these numbers and we need to check what's the problem for this charger, and we need to stop it and check, and when it check if everything okay, then we use again, right?
Yes.
Okay, and as we can see for this sticker, and we can see here there are two big buttons. You see?
Yes.
There are two big buttons.
Display and the current.
Display and current.
Do you know what is that?
I don't know. Can you share with us?
Okay. I'm glad to do that. And the first one is the displays.
Yes. Here.
Okay. When the charger in the charging mode, you can press this one, play display, and it can show the digital data, such as the charging time.
Charging time. We can see the charging time here.
Yes.
When we button the display, and we can see the charging time.
Yes, how many seconds or how many minutes?
Okay. And then?
And the temperature, how many degree?
Also we can see the temperature from here when we display this.
And the charging volt.
Charging volt.
Yes.
Voltage.
Like the 30.7 volts as before.
Yes. And any other data we can see from here?
Guess?
Oh, I don't know. You sure?
You use the charger to charge the battery, and this one can also show the battery level and the battery capacity.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Understand.
That's all of our displays button. Yes. And next is the current.
Oh, this one I know. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, this is because for current, and when as we can see, there are 4 types of the color here. This number is DC12208, and there are 4 ampere, 8 ampere, 12 ampere, and 20 ampere. It means that we can choose this 4 ampere. And when we button one time at the first, it shows the 4 ampere, and we button 2 times, it will show the 8 ampere, and we button 3 times, it will show 12 ampere. Yeah, if we button 4 times, it will show 20 ampere.
Yes.
Yeah. So we because there are many different capacitor of the battery. So you can choose which one is suitable for you. You can choose which one, and how to know which one is the suitable one. And our here also
On the table.
Yeah, on the table you also see here.
Yes. For example, if your battery is under 20 amp-hours, and you can use.
It's better to choose the 4 ampere.
Yes, you can choose the 4 ampere current to charge the batteries.
Yes.
And for example, we can choose the different currents based on the batteries you have. And for example, and if you select big current to charge the battery with small capacity,
yes,
it will affect the battery life. It's not good. It's very bad for your batteries. And in the other word, if you choose the small one current to charge the high capacity battery, it will affect the charging effect. It is also not good.
It means that
it wastes the power.
Yeah, it means that for normal one, maybe you choose if for normal time, normally you take 3 hours to charge the battery full, and if you use the small current to charge for the same battery, maybe it will cost you 5 hours or 6 hours.
Yes.
It means like this, right?
Yes, it's use our much time to charge the battery.
Yeah. So it's better. It's better you can check what is the capacitor of your battery here, and you can choose the suitable current from here.
Yes.
Yeah. So I like this charger very much, because we think about everything and show in our sticker.
Take it
Okay.
right now. Take it right now. No hesitate.
Yeah. So we show you the side of this charger. Yeah. For this side, we can see here. Here is the cooling fan.
Cooling fan.
Yeah. So in the normal charging, and when the temperature over 35 degree, or it drops below 35 degree, and the fan will start working. Yeah. So and when it starts working, it is very silent. So it will not disturb you when you're sleeping.
Yes.
Yeah. So this function is very good.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Let's connect our DC charger to show how it works.
Connect with the battery to test. But our battery is full.
We try another tool.
Okay.
try this. We try this one.
Okay. AC power. City power.
City power.
Yes.
放里面一点，放里面一点，那个 AC power。
We take this one to test.
Yes.
And you can buy it. Take. Put on here. Okay. The first of all, before connecting the charger and the battery, please check the battery volt whether this volt whether match the charger volt or not.
Yes.
And make sure that it will not cause any short circuits. It means the red and the black clip must
Connected.
connect
You're right.
Yes,
Yeah.
in the right way.
Yes.
Here is the wrong way.
Yeah. We cannot do like this.
Yes.
Yeah, we check our battery first, and this for the 12 wattage, and our battery is also for the DC 12 wattage, so it can match.
Yes. And the next one is connected.
Yes.
Let me connect it first. 可以吗？可以的。
看那边是个这样子，
Yes.
这给他的手机，把给他们公司的。
Okay.
Okay. After that, we connect with the AC power. Okay. Now here is some digital information about the charging will display show on the LED screen. And this one also
This for the charge
time.
Yeah, charge information.
Yes.
And we can see.
This is for the charging time 000.
Yeah.
And this 100 also means this battery is full. Yes.
And
This 13.63 is for the current volt.
current.
Yes, battery charging volt.
Okay. We can see. We can show to the customer and what we can see for this LCD display.
Yes.
Yes.
And
You can see. You can choose here. You
Okay.
show. Yeah. Please
I can
show.
show.
Yeah.
And this one is Clarence. We mentioned before. We can choose
the
different
current.
charging currents based on our batteries. Yes. And now here our batteries is for the 7.2.
Yeah. The
Yes.
small one.
Okay.
Below 20 ampere. So we choose the 4 ampere is okay.
Okay. But this battery is full,
Oh.
so it doesn't work.
This
For
one is
this
full.
moment.
Maybe next time we will use empty battery to show the customer.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. And we cut down the city power first.
Okay. So pay attention to this state. Okay. And we unplug for this.
This 20. Yes, and now after the operation,
Yes.
and we can see we can see the data on the LED screen. And now we also see here have 2 buttons.
What's the function of 2 buttons? Special
yes.
function?
Yes, very special.
Okay.
Yes. And do you know how to use that function? What is that function mean?
Before I heard that 2 buttons together can start the car engine.
Oh yes, yes. And normally you cannot start the engine when the car battery performance is extremely low capacitive in cold winter.
Yeah.
And you can press display and the current button at the same time. Then the charger can output max current for 10 seconds to start the engine of the car, and you can start the car battery.
Oh, it's very good.
Yes.
Yeah. Let me try. Do like this. Enter it together, right?
Yes.
Ah, it's easy. Wow, this one is. I think this function is very cool, and this is very useful and convenient for the car, especially in winter. You know, in winter maybe it's very cold, or some countries will snow.
Ice.
Yeah. So as we know, the function is special and different with other factories' chargers.
Yes.
Yes, and in addition, this charger has multiple protection, such as the output short circuit protection and outer reverse polarity protection, over temperature protection, and the battery repaired. Yeah, so the battery will be repaired automatically after connecting our charger.
Yes. So many protection to keep you safe when you charging.
Yes.
And if you want to order, please contact with us right now.
Yeah.
And yes, if you have this charger, and it can make your life more convenience.
Yeah.
Do that right now.
You can this is the code of our Facebook. Yeah, and we also have many models on our Facebook. You can
check more details about us.
Yes, or you can also go into our YouTube.
This is our ID.
Yeah. Also for the company Facebook, you can also contact us.
Yes.
Or if you have WeChat or the WhatsApp, you can also contact us.
Yes.
WhatsApp
and WeChat.
Yes. And so maybe there are some customer will have some question. Yeah. So maybe I ask you and you help me reply to the customer.
Okay, please.
Okay.
It's very good.
So yeah, because today we introduce so many different series of the charger. Yeah. So if I want to buy the sample.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. What can I help you?
So if I buy the sample to test first, and so how to pay?
If you
Pay money? Need to pay money?
You can TT.
Yes,
or Visa card.
Visa card from where? From Alibaba?
Yes, from Alibaba.
Okay.
We have Alibaba ID.
Okay.
Yes.
Understand.
Anything else?
So what is the price terms can you offer to the customers?
Normally we accept ESW for some, or if you
buy containers.
Container, you have container order. Of course, we can do the FOB price for you. Yes, it's based on the quantities of the order.
Okay. So, what is the main market of your products?
Most of our products for the charger, we expose our charger to Southeast Asia, Africa, and meets its ease.
Okay, today we introduce many series of the charger. So maybe some customer will ask, there are also many other countries or the manufacture this same charger. So why should we order from you?
Let me share the advantage of our batteries to you.
Yes.
Our batteries was founded in 1988 and have more than 30 years histories.
Wow.
Yes, it's a long time. And our factories have the professional R&D department and new products developed from them. And we have several production lines so that all materials and qualities can be well controlled. And our price is very good. And we can accept and do the OEM orders as you want.
Yes. Okay.
Yes. Now
Let's see video. Okay. Yeah.
Yes.
We saw many words. Okay. Let's see a video of our factory.
video is powerful than the word. Let's see the video. After you see our videos, you can know more about
Our factory.
Yes, and you can trust us by your eyes.
Yes. And we also have our after sales team. If you order our charger, if you have any problem, you can.
Okay. And where is your glass?
Oh, maybe let me take a look.
Okay. You wear the glass at first.
Okay.
Okay, hold on, everybody. Yes, our partner, my partner Lisa, need to take wear the.
I am back.
Yes. And now, this live show, we want to introduce our charger for you.
Some popular charger and
Yes.
very special function.
Yes, and we are going to introduce the charger for the AGM and GEL battery charger. And also our factories have other solar equipment like the solar controller,
Yes.
solar inverter. We are all of them we can produce.
Yes.
Yes, and have many years experience on this line.
Yes. Today now we are going to introduce some popular solar charger. Yes, as we see, this charger is have aluminum shell and plastic shell,
Yes,
LCD display.
and the analog meter displays.
Yes. So many kinds of battery charger. So what we are care about when buying a charger?
First, we will check our battery capacity. Yes, how many amp of our batteries, how many volt of our batteries. Like some batteries is 3 ampere, 30 amp hours, 40 amp hours, or 200 amp hours. Is very big, huge, and heavy.
Heavy, yes, very heavy.
Yes.
Maybe you and me cannot carry about it.
No, cannot carry on it, and it's about 60 kilogram.
200
100
ampere is about 60 kg.
Yes. It's very heavy.
So very heavy, huh?
Yes, and we will care about the charging speed and the charging temperature and charging time. how many hours and minutes and seconds we use in charging.
And as we know, the customer choosing, some customer maybe they don't know how to choosing the charger for battery, but this one is very important things. If you choose a suitable battery charger for your battery, can be save your battery for a long time.
Yes.
Sometimes if you choose a big battery charger, but you only have a small battery,
Oh yes.
so maybe charging is very fast.
Yes, but your batteries cannot
Yes.
accept the
Long line.
Yes.
Cannot make a long line. So if you have a big battery, but you buy a small battery, small battery charger. Yes, maybe small battery charger you think is very cheaper, and maybe you want to charging a big battery. I think it's also
Not okay.
Yes.
Yes, because it will take many times. Yes.
And maybe your battery is not very good to charging it full.
Yes.
Maybe the power already off and your battery is still not full. How to supply the line?
Yes. And if you are in hurry to use the batteries, but your charger is very small. Now at that time you are very troubled.
Yes. So we say you choose a good battery charger for suitable for you is very important. Yes. Some customer they don't know, but don't worry, we can tell you.
Yes.
Just tell us.
Yes.
We can help you to choose a good charger, can protect your battery, and also can help you to charge in time as you need.
Yes. So no worry about that because we are professional.
Yes, you are right.
Yes, not only us, and we have the
Engineer team.
Yes, engineer team and the professional after-sales team. Yes. If you have any problems, you can contact us, and if we cannot solve your problem, we will give the problem
information to my engineer, and they will can be very well to solve it.
Yes.
Yes, you are right. Some customers also ask for different materials of the cell. Some of them like a plastic material. Yes. And some of them like the aluminum material. And I have a small battery in house. Which model the battery will you comment with me?
I will comment our FON series. This one. This one is for the professional, for the small capacitor battery.
Yes. How about this one?
This one, the current is bigger than this one. Because this one is 3 ampere max.
Yes.
Yes, and this one is the 6
ampere max.
Yes.
But they will be not different too much because 3 ampere and 6 ampere. If you choose, not much different for little big battery. Yes.
And for our name, our model name FON 1203 like that. Yes, it's very easy to understand. And for example, is for the FON 1203, and the 12 is for the DC volt. DC volts for 12 volt of our battery. And the 03 is for 3 amps charging current, and it is used for the 30 amp hours battery.
Yes, 10 times.
Yes, 10 times. And also we can take this one for example. FOM 1206Y. Can you show? Can you explain how does it mean?
FOM 1201Y. It means this one is a 12 volt and 6 amperes, and the input voltage is 90 volt to 250 volt, and the charging voltage is 14.5 volt.
Yes.
Yes, and the missed current power is 6 volt, and that we think is the charging. When the charging, we have the LCD displays. It shows charging process, so the user can understand the charging current state of the battery.
Yes.
This model is very popular and very easy to see it. So this is LCD display series. Yes. So now let us compare with other type LCD display.
Which model do you want to compare with? Which model?
Maybe we can choose the same model.
I know.
1206D.
D. Yes.
Yes.
Let me try.
Can you see?
Here.
Yes, get it.
Yes.
好 low 好像以前的那个
Here is our FOM 1206 but D. Yes.
Yes.
Also easy to understand by
Yes.
the name.
Yes, before we are choosing a charging, please check the battery voltage power volt, whether match the battery charger or not at first.
Yes.
Connect with AC power, then check indicator, means the LCD display turn on or not. If the LCD display is the indicator light off, please turn off the AC power once. Check the city power and
the battery.
Yes, and the store battery for all the cable. If
Yes.
they make the mistake, maybe cannot help your battery to charge.
Yes. Maybe cannot charge your batteries.
Yes, yes,
Let's compare with these two models.
yeah, sure. Our charger, this one is FOM 1205Y.
6.
Yes, sorry, 1206Y.
Yes, and this one is FOM 1206D.
Yes.
Yes.
Two of them we can see is same of them is a DC 12 volt. Yes.
It's also 6 amp current.
Yes, current.
And the input volt. This one is 150 to 250 volt.
Oh, this one for F1206Y. This one the voltage is 90 to 250 volt.
Yes. It means this one can use in many countries.
Yes, like South America. Yes, they will use 110 volt. But if you buy the charger is for 220 volt, that is not better.
Yes.
So if two of them you choose FOM 12056 is best choose for this country.
Yes.
Yes. And from the information, we can get the information for charging state.
Yes.
Yes, all of them we can see. Here is one LCD display.
But there is 2 LCD displays.
Yes, yes. We are calling this one is for LED.
LED.
Yes, yes.
The
And
way
this one is LCD screen. And their difference is LCD screen. It will be the cost price will be more higher than LED.
so
Yes.
this one is better.
Yes, yes. And we can see more information. Their different is 12060 is voltage.
Charging voltage and will show the battery level on this screen. Before we test this charger, and there show the 100%. It means the battery is full.
Okay.
Yes. And here is show the current.
Yes.
Yes. It's for the charging current.
Oh.
Yes. And if your battery is 100%, and here the battery full will turn on the green light.
And we can see from this side, the 1206Y, we only have one LCD display, and this LCD display, when you see it, this is charging state indicator.
Yes.
Yes, and this one is full. The indicator will be shown. And the information when you choose here, you will see it in the LCD display when you connect it.
Yes.
Yes, it will be shown.
Yes. And here also have the special function of this one different from this one.
Yes. We can see here is the battery
Repair?
Yes, that battery repair function.
Yes.
And the battery repair function, it means when your battery maybe no power or power short. It will show the customer when you press the button, it can be help your battery, the voltage can be up, and the power, the city power can enter your battery and help your battery to charge.
Yes, so we can press this button, and then the charger can charge the power to our battery.
Yes.
Yes.
And we see the intelligent fasting charging for the packing. This one is 9 major functions to help to extend battery life.
Let me see. This one is for 8 functions.
Yes, maybe let me check whether the function is the same or not. The first one of 12060 is anti-water loss, and current limited function. And the second one is auto power supply floating mode, prevent reverse charging function, and anti-over voltage and voltage limited function. And the 5, power saving, energy saving, and the 6, soft current protection.
Yes.
And the 7, anti-stop, starting delayed function. And the 8, wide input voltage relay.
No have this one. No have this one. It is not 90 volt to the 250
Yes.
volt.
This
Yes.
is wide input voltage relay.
This is not.
Yes.
This not.
And the battery charging repair function. This one is this
Totally different. with
Yes,
this one.
very important function.
Yes. And this only have the 8 functions. 8 usual functions. Yes. And from
maybe this one, the function we are compare it now.
yes.
So if you want to know more information,
you
you
can
will contact with us.
Yes.
As you see, you can contact us from Facebook.
If you have Facebook,
Yes.
and you can add our Facebook to know more about details.
Yes.
And here, if you have WeChat or WhatsApp, you can
contact our phone number.
Yes, and we will have the engineer and the salesperson to contact you and reply your problem question. And
Yes.
also, and here is the call.
Yes.
Yes.
2 of them.
Yes.
3 of them. You can add it. And now the time
It's over.
Is all. Yes.
Yes, the
So
time is over.
maybe we can share these items with you for next time.
Yes.
See you.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Thank you.
这。